going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this MJJC foam cannon. This is a Pro V3, and it's a nice day out here, you guys. Even though it's December, we got 60, 62 degrees out here. It's a good day to turn the water on and hit some foam some cars up and all of that good stuff. And then when we're done, we turn the water off so that way our pipes don't freeze. So there you go. Here's the head right here. Very nice. Here goes the bottle. All right, and here is the connection. Here you have the ball. This ball goes inside of your bottle. It's like a filter, so you're not putting dirt into the system. So that's pretty awesome. All right, you guys. Let's go into hooking it up and start foaming. Okay, you guys, so when you use this foam sprayer, you need a power washer, okay? So this is a nice, small, very friendly power washer, you guys. It gets the job done. I love it. I use this more than I use my other power washer over there. I like it because it's small, it's compact, okay? We are going to take our head right here. And it's very windy as well, so I gotta watch how I spray, make sure I don't get it in my face. Perfect. So let's go ahead and put that in. I don't know if you put tape on yours or not. Y'all can let me know. I don't usually use tape. All right, so there we go with that. And now we need our filter. Put it right on the inside, just like that. And then you put it on like that and get to work. For a foam sprayer, use 1 ounce of wash per 2 ounces of water for heavy foam. Put it on the gun, and that's it. All right, we're about to shoot. I didn't do no adjustments, okay? You have your regulator right here and all of that good stuff. We'll get into that in a little bit. That way y'all can see how this thing actually works, but I'm just gonna show y'all right now. You see how much foam comes out? All right, let's go left. Let's see. So when you go left, you get less foam, okay? When you go left, it's less. When you go right, going all the way right, you guys, all the way. Just showing y'all. All right, you see that? So you see how much foam gets on the car. All right, so I'm just gonna turn these so you can see the different adjustments. So you see how far out it goes once you get tight. Now we're gonna loosen it. All right, so there you go with that. I'll do it again. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna do this for y'all one more time, okay? It is getting windy out here. Temperatures are dropping, but you wanna hook your foam cannon up, okay? I'm doing this one more time. You hook your foam cannon up. All right. Now, right here is your foam regulator, okay? And this is your sprayer. So if you wanted to spray out like, like a misting spray, or it says in there like 360 degrees. So if you wanted to spray out like misting, then this is what you want to control, all right? If you want more foam, this is what you want to control right here. All right, so I'm going to shoot. All right. And again, this is your foam controller. All right, we're going all the way. So we're all the way on negative. Let me see. Yeah, so we went all the way to the left. All right. All the way to the left, you get water. All right. So that's water. Again, go all the way to the right. And then you get foam, okay? Now, this one is how you want it to come out and spray. So I'm going to spray. That's on all the way over here, okay? And this is where it stops. I'm gonna go in the middle. You see where that little gap is? That's this spray. So it's coming out like wild, okay? And then I'm gonna go more. And then it's coming out more. And then, so it's like a 180-degree spray. I don't know the exact degrees on it, but I'll let you know once I go over the directions. But I just know that because I've been working with foam cannons for a while. But I like the single spray, so that is my type of spray, you guys. And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.